In this video, I am going to show you how to send a snap to yourself on Snapchat. Snapchat isn't just for sharing moments with friends. You can also send snaps to yourself, serving as a personal diary or a quick way to save something interesting. And here's how you can do it. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your smartphone, and then log in. Navigate to the camera screen. Tap Capture button to snap a photo of whatever you wish to save and share to yourself. After capturing, you'll move to the editing screen. Here you can get creative, add text, stickers, or use Snapchat's various filters to enhance your snap. Once you're happy with your snap, look for the blue arrow icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tapping this will take you to the next step. On the Send To screen, there is a search function at the top. Enter your own Snapchat username here. As you type, Snapchat will suggest matches. Identify and select your own username for the suggestions list. This action will designate you as the recipient of the snap. And after that, click Send and you will receive a snap of yourself to your own Snapchat account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.